Hello, everyone. Today I explained a topic which is called flow. It was made by Mihai Csikszentmihalyi, and it's not made. He actually just gave it a name because it's like a situation or a thing that we all have, and it's something that we do when we are working, studying, or doing something that needs a certain amount of skills. And I want to talk about it because I think it's going to provide a lot of insight and can help you understand yourself and the and how you study better, how you work better. So basically, flow state is where you are in a certain mindset, and in this mindset, you are 100% focused. You don't feel the time. Sometimes people said that they don't eat, they don't drink, they probably forget to go to the bathroom because they are in that state. They're focusing, they have something that they want to do, and they do it for a long time. And to go into that state, you need a few things to, like, a few, I'm not going to say rules, but a few variables that when you have them, you reach that flow state. The first thing that you have, or you need to have, is a skill level that is a little bit above average. So when you have the skill level above average, then the challenge should be a little bit above average as well. When the thing that you're doing is a little bit harder than, okay, let me rephrase that. When the skill that you're doing, the thing that you're doing right now, for example, you're trying to solve a mathematical problem, and if the difficulty is 5 to 7%, I guess, but let's say 5%, and you are in a skill level that allows you to solve this problem, but it's a little bit difficult to you, like 5%, there is a chance that you're not going to be able to solve it, then you definitely go into a state which is called flow. So now, when you increase the level of your skill, so for example, if you are really, really skillful, then the problem, let's say a mathematical problem, becomes should have should become harder. And if you are in a uh, let's say an above average level, then the skill or the challenge that you need is a little bit easier than the person who is really mathematician or expert in math. So there are things that happen when you don't meet these conditions. For example, if you are, and there's a whole graph on the internet, you can find it by just writing the word flow and or flow state. For example, when your skill is really low and the challenge is really low, um, you will have apathy. You will not be interested. And for example, if your skill is really low and the challenge is really, really high, then you're going to have anxiety. But if you are really good at what you're doing and the thing that you're doing is really easy, then you're going to be relaxed. So, and there are things in between, like in the middle, and there's like control and whatever. There's like I think 8 of them or something like that. And yeah, you can just watch them. You can just Google them and see where you're at what you're doing, and I think it will help you to get to flow. And the reason why you want to get to flow is because um you operate a lot better than you are not if you're not in flow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.